This is a blue-gray gnatcatcher who came to us about a month ago as an orphan. He had fallen out of the nest and was a healthy bird, so we were off to a good start. Blue-gray gnatcatchers eat nothing but bugs, so they can be challenging to raise when they begin to start feeding, because we need to not only offer them live food, but we also need to offer a variety of insects. Some of the best foods for training these little guys how to eat are small mealworms. The smaller the better. Flightless fruit flies are popular with them. They especially like grubs, but we try to limit their grub intake because those are very high in fat. And pretty much anything that can cling to the perch. In the wild, they eat a lot of spiders and a bigger variety of bugs than we can get our hands on, but our goal is to get him to learn how to forage and find different foods so that when he's out in the wild, he can find the correct diet. He's still hand feeding a little bit, but starting to self-feed. We're hoping that in about a week or two he'll be completely self-sufficient and ready to be released into the wild. Gnatcatchers spend most of their time high up in the treetops, usually in very dense woods, eating bugs off of leaves and branches. So you can see if a fly happens to come into the room and buzz around his cage, he gets very excited about it. So his natural instinct is kicking in, and he'll be released soon.